Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to deep clean your essential oil diffusers. All I have is this full of water, just like I normally would if I were going to diffuse an oil. Now I'm just going to take a splash of cleaning vinegar. You really do not need a lot, just a little. There you go, that's plenty. Now what I'm going to do is put the top on this diffuser. So it is a little bit crusty, it's a little bit grimy, that's okay. After we go ahead and let this run through completely, we're going to go ahead and just grab a washcloth or a sponge, whatever you want, and just kind of wipe out the inside, rinse it out, and then it's going to be good to go. That's all you have to do to kind of give this a good deep clean. That's going to help with any musty odors that are coming out of it, any dust, anything like that that's built up in here is just going to get ran through between the vinegar and the water. And then after a good wipe down and a little bit of just a rinse in the sink, just like you're washing dishes, this is going to be good to go, and it's going to be just really clean and ready for you to diffuse all of your favorite essential oils. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.